Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the untapped methods for landing sales jobs. Is there an untapped method for Yeah, there is. Basically, there is a lot of untapped methods for finding sales positions. And what is one of them, you might ask? What is one untapped method? First, let's actually break down a platform you guys have actually underrated a lot, which is Instagram. Right? There's several ways you can actually land positions, but I'm going to show you guys. So we have Instagram, which is the first. Let's use Instagram first. We can use this on Facebook, but it works very well on Instagram. And it's not the Instagram you just use, it's the Instagram algorithm. Yeah. So most people are like, how can I use Instagram algorithm to land a position? Now you're getting the Instagram algorithm to show you positions you can apply to. I think I need to do a practical for this, but it usually takes like minutes or a day to actually implement. On mine is actually working right now. But for you, what you need to do is what do you want to work with? If you want to work with coaches, not really care about the specific niche, just go on Instagram and use these functions. Search. Yeah. Search and open everything you see. Not basically every single thing, but search the word. Maybe there's actually picking word coach. We go on Instagram, we click on the search bar, we click on search our coach, begin to scroll through all the coaches around here, jumping from coaches page to coaches page to coaches page, keep jumping around, checking the list of coaches we want to work with, and you do this a couple of times a day. Within like a few hours or even minutes or the next day, guess what? Your algorithm, which is your FYP, your For You page, is going to full with a lot of ads from search history. So everything you've basically searched, they'll start showing you ads related to that. And guess what? You have a whole lead of prospective clients you want to work with because you see they're actively running ads. Reach out to them. They might be looking for an appointment setter or a closer, right? So this is one untapped method a lot of you guys have not tried out. Now, method number two. Sales managers. Now you're looking for a sales role, whether like an appointment setter or closer. By the way, I'm a sales manager. Reason why I know this, I'm a sales manager for a particular business. I did that for a couple of months, right? Now, the reason why I always say like you want to reach out to sales managers instead of just recruiters or applications is sales managers know when a business is hiring because they're the one that actually set up the hiring before a recruiter actually does it or before they even post it. So if they're thinking of hiring, is the sales manager you should reach out to. They manage the whole sales team. So sales managers, and where can you find these people? Two places: Facebook and LinkedIn. Key places you can find a lot of sales managers, right? Because you want to network with them, reach out to them, ask them questions intending to hire. Now, this is not really untapped, but I feel like it's underrated by a lot of you guys, is recruiters. And but let's actually say recruiters are not really untapped, right? I would say most of you guys have tried out recruiters if you're watching this video, but the ones you guys have not really tried out is recruitment agencies. Now, recruiters, I kind of see them as freelancers, although most of them really don't like that word. But I kind of see them like freelancers in this gig stuff of finding people, getting people connected with roles, while agencies are like agencies, full blown businesses, which bunch of recruiters inside these agencies, right? So recruitment agencies have a whole lot of clients hiring, and they're constantly getting businesses hiring. Now, two examples we can actually know of is Closer.io. There are a lot more, but I'm just going to give you guys two. Win at. Let's just put the at sales. There's a lot more agencies. If you want a list of them, DM me the word list of recruiters, and I might give you, might be a lucky person, I'll give you a list of like 12 to 15 to 20 recruitment agencies. And guess what? You could just get on their pipeline. I imagine you're constantly getting emails of offers being hiring. Simple like that. Next is connection agencies. I think we're going to put connection agencies. Next is connection agencies. Now, what are connection agencies? Connection agencies, in as much as like recruitment agencies, let's say recruiters have like few opportunities which they're directly hiring for these businesses. Recruitment agencies have a whole more businesses which they're actually hiring for, while connection agencies, on the other hand, don't just have few businesses, they have a whole lot of businesses and a whole lot of people they're connecting together, right? So most of the time, the problem with most recruitment agencies and recruiters is they don't have as much opportunities to meet every single person. But connection agencies are just like an intermediary. Just imagine how Uber connects you with cabs, right? There's a whole lot of cabs and there's a whole lot of people, and they're always connecting people. So that's what connection agencies does. And what can I actually recommend to you guys? The sales channel. If you want to check out the sales channel, where we connect you with hundreds of opportunities constantly, I think it's going to be in the description, or DM me the word sales channel and I'll give you more information. It's a paid platform, by the way. Uber doesn't connect you to a car for free. So it's a paid platform. So the next untapped method is, I usually say networking. We've actually mentioned networking. We've mentioned all those other key stuffs already. I'll actually say is YouTube. Now, most people actually ask me like, how is YouTube untapped? How do you find positions on YouTube and TikTok? I said yes, TikTok. Now, how do you actually find opportunities on YouTube and TikTok? Now, if you want to work with like a fitness business, find someone that teaches fitness on YouTube. They've actually fixed the lead problem already because they're getting views. They just need someone to maybe close these leads or speak to the leads already on phone. All right. So YouTube, TikTok, they fixed the lead problem already. They just need closers or setters. Very key. Some of them might be selling a low ticket offer which they can easily sell, and some might just need closers or setters to actually close these calls. You can actually easily find a lot of like crazy niches because a lot of people that build their brand off of YouTube. So they are really not active on all these other platforms, but they're having like prospects reaching out to them there. And if they start to like sell with that their other platforms like Instagram, stuff like that, they will get sales because they're having a large following on their YouTube. So this is another method you could definitely, that's very, very, very underrated. Like super underrated. And untapped method basically is very, very untapped by a lot of people. People just like waiting to be hands fed, spoon fed, waiting for Santa Claus of jobs to go around with positions, handing it around to every single person. No one is going to do that in this space. You need to go out, you need to network with these people, you need to join communities. And lastly, is the very most untapped method is joining niche based communities. I'm going to briefly explain this, but I have like a separate video explaining exactly what the power of niche based communities. Now, if you want to work with a SaaS business, Don't join appointment setting and closing groups. You're not going to find a SaaS business to work with there. You might find one, maybe one in 1 month. But if you want to find a whole lot of them, join niche based communities. And there are three places you can actually find niche based communities: one, Discord; two, Facebook; three, school. Other platforms have community sites, but these are the key three places you can find communities. And guess what? You can find a lot of SaaS businesses, AI automation businesses, real estate, fitness, perfume, how to style yourself, how to diet, a lot of stuff in these communities. And most of these communities are low ticket, which have actually shown these people are ready buyers, just need them to upsell them. Like, it's not rocket science. So there's a lot of niche based communities you can join and sell as an appointment setter or a closer, right? So niche based communities, this is a very untapped way of finding sales position. By the way, if you want to learn directly from me, DM me the What Sales channel, join the Connection Agency, join our inner circle. But I'm giving away a free course breaking down exactly how you can use all these platforms which I mentioned to find sales position very fast. And if you're someone that has experience already, you're just looking for someone to help you out, we have a VA and AI system to help you connect with a lot of positions. Click in the description or send me a direct message to get access to that.